Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Hyundai in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Santa Fe. So this vehicle features a large opening panoramic glass roof, there's electric tailgate, keyless entry, you get 19-inch alloy wheels tinted for the windows, there's also front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's full leather interior, the front seats can be cooled or heated. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter. The car also features a superb Infinity sound system. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your needs to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or whether just making an appointment to come and view the vehicle at our dealership. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.